Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Arios Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you'll see further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost style on a set of upgraded 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. You'll also notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes. Opening the powered and gesture tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers are certainly going to be impressed with their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit also reveals your 20-way heated electric front seats with driver memory and rear power recline, ensuring comfort and quality on any length of journey. You'll also notice your leather heated steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal. Advancing over at your 11.4-inch P Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive. It features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today, and thank you for watching.